give me the tool or machine. Give me the tool or machine in Italian. Dammi quella macchina. Dammi quella macchina means give me the tool or machine. Here, dammi means give me. Quella means that. Macchina means tool or machine. So we can say dammi quella macchina means give me the tool or machine. Then this part needs to be welded. This part needs to be welded in Italian. Questa parte va saldata. Questa parte va saldata means this part needs to be welded. Here, questa parte means this part needs. Va saldata means be welded. Okay, so we can say questa parte va saldata. Questa parte va saldata means this part needs to be welded. Okay, then are you ready? Are you ready? In Italian, sei pronto? Sei pronto or sei pronta? Are you ready? In Italian, sei pronto or sei pronta. If you male, then you can say sei pronto. If you a woman, then you can say sei pronta. Here, sei means are you. Pronto means ready. So we can say sei pronto. Are you ready? Then put on the safety glasses. Put on the safety glasses in Italian. Metti gli occhiali di protezione. Metti gli occhiali di protezione means put on the safety glasses. Okay? Metti gli occhiali di protezione. Here, metti means put on. Occhiali means glasses. Di protezione means the safety. So we can say metti gli occhiali di protezione. Put on the safety glasses. Then put on the gloves. Put on the gloves in Italian. Metti I guanti. Metti I guanti means put on the gloves. Put on the gloves in Italian. Metti I guanti. Here, metti means put on. I guanti means the gloves. Metti means put on. I guanti means the gloves. So we can say metti I guanti. Put on the gloves. Metti I guanti. Then turn off the machine. Turn off the machine in Italian. Spegni la macchina. Spegni la macchina means turn off the machine. Turn off the machine in Italian. Spegni la macchina. Here, spegni means turn off. Spegni, turn off. La macchina means the machine. So we can say spegni la macchina means turn off the machine. Spegni la macchina. Then it's very hot. It's very hot in Italian. È molto caldo. È molto caldo means it's very hot. Here, è means it is. Okay? Molto means very. Caldo means hot. So we can say è molto caldo means it's very hot. È molto caldo. It's very hot. It's molto caldo. Then clean the metal. Clean the metal in Italian. Pulisci il metallo. Pulisci il metallo means clean the metal. Okay? Clean the metal. Pulisci il metallo. Here, pulisci means clean. Il metallo means the metal. So we can say pulisci il metallo means clean the metal. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Then check the gas tank. check the gas tank in Italian, controlla il serbatoio del gas. Controlla il serbatoio del gas means check the gas tank. Okay? Controlla means check. Il serbatoio means tank. Del gas means the gas. So we can say controlla il serbatoio del gas. Then bring the MIG welder in Italian. Porta la saldatrice MIG. Porta la saldatrice MIG means bring the MIG welder. Here, porta means bring. La saldatrice means welder. MIG means the MIG. So we can say porta la saldatrice MIG. Bring the MIG welder. Bring the MIG welder. Okay? Then there is a problem here. There is a problem here in Italian. C'è un problema qui. C'è un problema qui means there is a problem here. Here, c'è means there is. Un means a. Problema means problem. Qui means here. So we can say c'è un problema qui. There is a problem here. Okay? Then I'm starting. I'm starting in Italian. Sto iniziando. Sto iniziando means I'm starting. Okay? Sto iniziando. Here, sto means I'm. Iniziando means starting. Iniziando. Sto iniziando means I'm starting. Please listen the pronunciation carefully. Sto iniziando. Then, be careful with the fire. Be careful with the fire. In Italian, attento al fuoco. Attento al fuoco means be careful with the fire. Be careful with the fire. Attento al fuoco. Here, attento means be careful. Al fuoco means with the fire. So we can say attento al fuoco means be careful with the fires. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.